Welcome to Giga Meter, the app that helps schools measure, monitor, and improve their internet quality. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. Before beginning the installation, make sure you have the minimum requirements to install Giga Meter, which include a working internet connection at the school, a Windows desktop or laptop computer, which is most frequently used and exclusively connected to the school's official internet, an operating system of Windows 7 or higher, 500 megabytes of free disk space. Whenever possible, install Giga Meter on at least one computer connected via a wired Ethernet connection to the internet to ensure more stable and accurate speed tests. Each school may install and set up Giga Meter on up to 2 computers, unless instructed otherwise. Ready to begin the installation? Great. First, start by typing meter.giga.global in your browser, which should take you to the Giga Meter landing page. Click on Download in the upper right corner. Once the download is completed, click on the file on either the bottom bar of your browser, upper right icon, or in your Downloads folder. When you see this message, click Yes to open the Setup wizard. In the pop-up window, select anyone who uses this computer, all users, and click on Next. Enter the location of the folder where you want to save the application and click on Install. Then click on Finish. For the next part of the installation process, go to your desktop and click on the Giga Meter icon to open the app. Select your preferred language, if not English. Click on Settings in the top right corner and select the desired language from the list. Begin your school's registration process by clicking Next on the Giga Meter home screen. Next, read setup recommendations and accept the data privacy policy and data sharing license by checking the box. Then click Start Registration to continue. Verify that your country was correctly detected. If incorrect, select the correct country from the drop-down list and click on Confirm. If you see a red message saying, "It looks like the country you selected may not be accurate," double-check your country selection. Enter your school ID, the unique identifier provided by the government to identify your school. Then click Search ID and select your school by clicking Select. If you are unsure of your school ID, please check with your school administrator or IT department. Double-check the information. If the school name is correct, click Yes to confirm. If it is not correct, click No to provide the correct ID. To change your school ID, go to Settings on the top right corner and log out. Then, restart the registration process. Your school is now registered on Giga Meter. The app automatically runs the first connectivity test to confirm that the registration was completed successfully. To complete the installation, run an internet speed test manually by clicking the Start Test button. If the test runs properly, you've completed the installation successfully. If the test is unsuccessful, please try again when the internet connection improves. If the test fails again, send a picture of the installed Giga Meter app to your designated Giga focal point for support to resolve it. Giga Meter will now automatically measure your school's connectivity daily for internet speed tests and ping tests every 15 minutes during the measurement window of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Users can trigger manual measurements at any time. Collected data will be sent to Giga automatically. Make sure to keep the computer turned on and connected to the school's internet for as many hours as possible. To view your results, click on the Data tab to see your last 10 successful tests. You can also visit maps.giga.global and search for your school name or ID. You'll see your school's data on the left panel and use school blinking on the map. Save this link to access the school view at any time.